It's now Thursday. We are nearing the end of the week and we have hit our stride. Those daily tasks we've been keeping up with each day have really made a big difference in the overall look and feel of the home. Since today's focus will be all the bathrooms, we can save those for last. We have 3 bathrooms in our house. This is a space that really needs daily attention, especially if you have kids in the house. There are certain tasks, like washing the shower curtain for instance, that I'll handle once a month, while others, such as cleaning the toilet and the sinks, that are more of a daily job. The guest bathroom anyway. The rugs get a weekly washing, as do all the baseboards and floors, which I prefer to do by hand. Of course I have helping hands, but I still prefer to do a once-over to ensure these spaces stay in tip-top shape. I hope you have been enjoying my mini-series up to this point in the week, which I've taken from my friend Hilary of Old World Homes cleaning schedule, featured in her brand new 2022 Christmas planner. It's currently available on Amazon and I have it linked below. In an upcoming video, I will share a special letter from the creator herself, which touched my heart, so be sure to watch each one. Bathrooms. They are a sore spot for me. I have visions of grandeur and windows. Every bathroom needs a window. Let's just say there are a million ways I feel every bathroom we have could be improved. But sometimes it's better to wait in order to make your real dreams come true. The bathrooms are my least favorite spaces to clean because of everything I don't care about them, but that doesn't mean they should be neglected. Always do the best with what you have. While we're on the subject, I'd like to encourage each of us to wait until the right time to make any changes we wish to when it comes to our homes. Never feel pressured because of something you see or something someone has said about your space. It's not worth going into debt over, yet many are willing to. It's the culture we're living in. Everything needs to be amazing and new, and we need it now. I hope my bathrooms are seen as something I would not pick for myself, but they are a place I am thankful for and that serve my family well. We have flushing toilets, everyone can shower daily, and clean water flows freely.